What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna play with my rock friend, aka Saitama 1+ main. This is his normal mode. His serious mode. Okay, he looks like Sakuna, but it's okay. I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to draw. I made him look like Sakuna. Yo. Yo. Look at me.
Kuno na gud kay ako nito niya trapuhan. Laso na gud pa.
Oh.
Laso ka na.
Hello. Oh, you make me angry. Can I please have some views? Like, please. Don't subscribe to me.